welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a what is in my cosmetology bag. So I'm gonna show you everything I got for second year cosmetology, starting in hair coloring. So everything in here you're gonna see is just for like hairstyling and hair coloring, but there's gonna be more videos to come. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And hopefully this inspires you guys to start doing what you want to do. You know, just start doing what you want to do. Not me trying to be inspirational, but still, just do it. Don't wait. Just don't wait. Just do it. Okay? Okay. So we're gonna get right into it, y'all. This is heavy, okay? So yeah, it's real heavy. All right, y'all, all this stuff is filled to the brim. First thing I'm gonna show y'all, this is like a head for coloring, so it's like sectioned off for coloring purposes. So it's like a coloring head. And then this is one I was working on today. It's just like a regular doll head. Both of these came with my kit. Everything in here came with the kit, but I was using some of the stuff. Some of the stuff might be used, okay, y'all? I used this today. This is a tint bowl. You put your brush, bleach, color, whatever you need to put in here. And yeah, this is what that is for. A timer. So let's say you got highlights sitting in somebody's hair or something, that anything that needs to be timed, gave me a timer. They gave me foils and gloves. Keep in mind I did start in the coloring unit, so yeah, foils and gloves for that. Some shower caps. I got lots and lots of clips. I already used some today in class, but yes, several clips in here. Even more clips. I have a whole box of curlers. This is some combs. And I have a ton of combs, y'all. They gave me all these combs and all these. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm gonna open it up for you guys and show you. So, oh, this is so cute, you guys. It is a brush kit. It has all these different type of, super cute. Next, we have some more clips, y'all. They never have too many of these. These just go missing all the time. Even last year when I was in school, all my combs, all my clips missing. So I'm glad they're gone, like done for. So I'm glad I have plenty of those. Mannequin stand that never even sticks to the table. You gotta use like water or something. But yeah, I use this for all my in-class assignments to work on my mannequin heads and stuff. Two tint brushes. There's probably more down in here, but 2 tint brushes, and then I used one today, so there's one that's open already. And then a hair color swatch kit. And then it comes with all this hair in it. So it's just like to test the chemicals and stuff, test the colors out, see how they come out on different shades of hair. This is to mix, so I'm mixing toner, mixing colors, mixing anything that you need, mix it in here. And then it has the measurements as well. Focus. Yup. A shampoo cake for when I wash and condition people's hairs in the bowls. And then the neck strips for whenever I'm doing anything in their hair and stuff, so it doesn't touch them. So like anything like bleach or color that you don't want to touch them, or even just water, it's just an extra protection to go over your towel. Yep. I'm not sure how many cakes came in here. It might just be 1 or 2. Yep, there's that. Tons, y'all. I mean tons of brushes and combs, y'all. Like, you don't even understand how many is in here. Like, let me just open this up for y'all. So this is actually insane. It comes with all these. And then it comes with five round brushes, y'all. Like, what? Am I gonna need all these round brushes? Are you serious? All of these. Another brush. Another wet brush. Another detangle brush. So 3 detangles. And then tons and tons of combs, y'all. Tons. Like, I can never have too many combs. These are all hair cutting combs. You don't gotta ask nobody for nothing. I mean nothing. Nothing at all. I'm literally set. Next is frosting and tipping cap. Disposable caps. I'm not sure exactly what these are for, but I think it's for like when you do highlights, but it's a different kind of highlight, I think. Don't quote me on that. I'm still learning, still in school, so I'm gonna learn. Okay. We have a mirror. Let me open it up all the way. I'm gonna probably keep it in the bubble wrap for now, but I'm gonna show y'all. The mirror I got. Super cute. Look at y'all. A mirror. And yes, y'all, if you are considering cosmetology school, this is just some of the stuff that you get for the unit that you're in. So there's kits for nails, there's kits for the facials, there's kits for the everything that you're gonna learn. So, still going. Just had to take a breath. We're still going. Towels. Obviously, when you get done washing people's hair, you have your own towels, which is just what I like. Because when I do hair from home or when I go to someone's house to do their hair, I'm going to have my own towels. I don't have to use theirs. So, and this is 12 towels. A color wheel. I'm probably gonna always use this even after I get my cosmetology license, because this just seems like it's gonna be useful to like know the colors and stuff and what makes what. So, color wheel. Brush I used today. a blow dryer. Hot Tools. I feel like this is a really good brand. Hot Tools blow dryer. And it also comes with the these two attachments. So I love that, y'all. Hot Tools curling iron. Yes, Hot Tools curling iron. Yes, yes, yes. And I used this flat iron last year, and it is so good. Like, if y'all want to go get this on your own, this flat iron, oh, like, it's just so good. But yeah, Hot Tools flat iron.
This is such a crazy feeling. I don't want to get too attached, but...
And then I did put a few things in this little front pocket. Just a spray bottle and just mini bottles for whatever my teacher says we need to use them for. But yeah. And y'all, this bag also, let me show y'all. This bag has wheels, and it has like a little strap, like a almost like a portable suitcase. But this also came with it, so you don't have to go, if you're starting school, you don't have to worry about getting a bag or like a case or anything, because it already came with it. And this is what the bag looks like. The wheels are right here, and then this part opens up, and then there's like a thing for you to pull it, which is what I love. And there's two pockets in the front. They're fairly well sized. But yeah, this was filled to the brim, y'all, so that's how you know I had a lot of stuff. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the table looks like after I just unpacked everything. So yep, this is the aftermath of me showing you guys everything that came in the kit. This is the aftermath, y'all. Way too much stuff. But anyway, y'all, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more cosmetology videos. Comment below if you want me to start a series, or maybe film a day in class, or film me doing somebody's hair, or some ideas that you want me to do on my hair. Just anything that you guys want to see. Make sure you comment that below. Drop a like. Smash that subscribe button, okay? Yes. And if you want to see me organize this, stay tuned for the next video, because I'm gonna buy some stuff, but I can't spoil too much. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Love y'all.